I'm Gail Blight from CloudKettle. So, you're considering a migration from your current CRM to Salesforce, or maybe you're tired of using multiple systems and resources to operate your business, and now you're centralizing in Salesforce. But where do you start? What's the best approach? In almost all scenarios, CloudKettle recommends that enterprise-scale CRM deployments be done on a phased crawl, walk, run approach. The goal is to start with an MVP, minimum viable product. This allows us to minimize risk, decrease scope creep, and reduce the potential for cost overruns. Breaking the project out into discretely scoped phases allows companies to realize faster time to value, gather user feedback for future iterations, test business concepts quickly, give leadership the ability to adapt the requirements as they see how the initial phase users are leveraging the tool, improve employee adoption, and the overall success of the end solution. Phase 1, MVP, crawl. Together with our clients, we define the minimum requirements needed to get from point A to point B. In many cases, this means going from spreadsheets and various disparate systems to using Salesforce for the entire funnel, from lead to opportunity to sale to support management. In this phase, we focus on the minimum technical requirements to migrate and deploy the CRM. The deliverable is a core foundation with an architecture that is scalable to the rest of the organization as necessary. This reduces the amount of time that groups of stakeholders have to be dedicated to requirements gathering, user acceptance testing, and training. What's included in an MVP, minimum viable product implementation? Requirements gathering and design, build, QA, training, and documentation. Phase 2, walk. This phase focuses on integration with third-party databases, proprietary systems, and ERP. This is often where team members who are not part of the core marketing and sales group, for example, finance, support, and customer success teams, begin to benefit from the platform. Phase 3, run. Expand the functionality to include new features that users have requested during the preceding phases as they become used to the system. This phase generally includes additional enhancements that have been outlined throughout the course of the previous phases that were not mission critical, but instead continue to improve on the user experience. Future phases. And finally, this phase is primarily focused on increased automation and complexity to support team growth and allow for scalability. In summary, while deploying a fully integrated CRM at once may seem like the best approach, it's important to consider the inevitability of scope changes, additional costs, and resourcing that will ultimately delay the project with this strategy. By using the crawl, walk, run approach, we work with our clients through a tested, repeatable, and successful phased process that ensures clients get a Salesforce org tailored to their needs, but can easily be maintained, remain secure, and scale over time. Thanks for watching. For more information on migrations and implementations, check out our YouTube channel and the CloudKettle blog. See you next time.